Metong nga kanayong Pampanga, kareng lugar kete Pilipinas, pipilinandang puntalan bang manuknangan at magnegosyu ring Koreano. Ining pinasyagning mamuntukan na ning Korean Community Association ng Central Luzon o KCACL king milabas a 13th Korea-Philippines Cultural Festival and 2023 year-end party. Amerapat king Hilton Clark Sun Valley Resort anyang akad 24 ning Nobyembre.
Yeah, actually before the leisure was a bigger region, but nowadays for the business, many Koreans want to invest here in the Philippines, especially in Pampanga. Pampanga is a very good environment compared to Manila. It's near airport, and then near hotel and golf course. So we can easily access anywhere what they want to.
Mahigit lang 500 na Koreano at mapilang Pilipinong bisita ring tinagon king okasyon ay nausda namang Hanbi Festival. Ing Executive Consul General of the Embassy of the Republic of Korea ay Sang Seung Man ing guest of honor and speaker ning pamitipon. King mensahe na dinakay na nini, maswelo ya kanong popular karing Pilipino ngeni ing K-drama, K-pop pating Korean food. Senyalis kanoy ning masika na ugnayan ning Pilipinas at Korea. Ana naman Choi Jong-pil, presidente ning KCACL, bayo kanoing pandemic, mabot la kano king 30,000 ding Koreano king rehiyon. Ngening salukuyan, tutuklo na lamo kano king 10,000 to 15,000 reti. Pebabalo ng Choi na ing seguridad daring Koreano at ning karelang komunidad ing buridang medina ng prioridad.
Yes, the most important thing is security. It's a different environment between Philippines and Korea. Especially many Koreans coming here and visit, they encounter some robbery and snatch, and then that is open to Korea media nowadays. So many Korean visitors reluctant to visit Philippines.
Manwala niya man ni Choi na matigig pa mo rin ang relasyon dareng Pilipino at Koreano at asahan pa ing pamanyatang darete king bangsa king daratang apanahon.
I'm sure we respect Filipinos, and also Filipinos respect Koreans. But sometimes there's just the few. I think anywhere there is a bad person in any society. But I'd like to emphasize most of Korean respect Philippine culture and people.
Ako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo, i Jody Dizon Mercado, ating pusong makabalen.